Despite looking like an office PC, which it indeed is, it was only an office PC back in 2011 when it was released. Now in 2024, it's a gaming PC, if the seller didn't lie. With the powerful Intel Core i7, this PC is called the HP Compaq Elite 8200. Yes, it's a pre-built HP computer, and you can find plenty of these on eBay. Here's how it looks inside. It has a gaming AMD graphics card, and there's another integrated gaming graphics card in the processor. Imagine that. For 37 bucks, you get 2 gaming graphics cards, so you could even sell the discrete one and use the integrated one. What's the difference? 1 or 2 frames per second? It even has a CD drive.